Alright traders, with all the questions I've received based on the free method that we have available, those of you who have opted in, about 2,000 of you so far, on the free member account, you get to learn the ABC method and software, learn the trading, the platform, how to manage your trades. It's a great opportunity for those of you to get, especially the new traders, to get involved in how to day trade. We do offer, with a free member account, the ABC method. So I'm going to cover this here briefly before I head out for the weekend. Today is August 26th. So I'm going to add here by right-clicking on the chart and choosing indicators, and you should have already downloaded the ABC method. So these are the suite of indicators and software from DayTradeToWin. Those of you who have the mentorship have all of these as lifetime licenses. But if you're a free member, it's here, DTTW, DayTradeToWin 8 ABC. So NinjaTrader 8 ABC, and I double click on that. Now you don't have to do anything with this. It automatically calculates and plots everything for you. What you do have to make sure that based on your time zone, since I am New York time zone, for me it's 9:30. For those of you who are Central Time, it would be 8:30. Those of you who are Mountain Time, US, would be 7:30. And those of you who are in Pacific Time would be 6:30. And if you're international, also you have to adjust for your international time here, Army time, for the session start in the markets you want to trade, and that's how you would set that up. Now the only thing I'm going to do here is change the color, make this a different color, so we can see clearly the three parts of the day. And this is the free software that and the course that we give out once you become a member. Already 2,000 of you have already taken opportunity to learn this method. And here we have for today the ABC method, the system. So what does this show you? It shows me the A part of the day, which is right here, and the B part of the day, which is right here, and the C part of the day, which is right here. So for today we have the ABC, we have a down day, a trending day, and this allows you to have these opportunities. Now what's important is that the entry for the B part of the day should happen earlier or sooner. So in this case it happened as soon as it broke the range of A, and it happened almost immediately within the first half hour. That's a good sign that we have a strong trend for the day. The same thing is true in the C part of the day where we have a late day rally or late day sell-off. We want to have that breakout occur sooner rather than later. So here the breakout occurred at about, let's take a quick look here. It occurred roughly at 3 o'clock, a little bit before 3 within the first half hour. I think it's also good. So these signals are based on closing prices, and it's all explained in the course. So if you haven't already received an opportunity to be part of the free member account status, go ahead and visit DayTradeToWin.com. Download the software. If you need help, we have lots of videos, lots of how-tos, and this is a great way to get you in the door learning how to day trade. If you have any questions, you can always email us. There's a contact us right through the member site. Until next time, good trading. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.